Here's how to fix if the Google Maps arrow is pointing in the wrong direction. Now, if you're in Google Maps on your iPhone or Android and it's pointing in the wrong direction or the orientation is all messed up, the first option you have is right above the search is the little compass button. You can tap on that and it will reorient you so that north is always facing up. Or you can tap on it again and it will change the orientation yet again, whether you want top down or instead of that, whether you want kind of an angled view. However, if that's not what you prefer, you can always change the orientation also in the settings of your Google Maps app. So just tap on your profile at the top right, and then scroll down and tap on settings at the bottom. Now from here, all we need to do is tap on navigation, that second option. And then we're going to scroll down towards the bottom. You can see the option for keep map north up. So if you have orientation with map north up, it will always show north as up or top of your phone instead of showing you the orientation that you're facing. So if you wanted to, you can always toggle this off. But keep in mind, there might also be an issue with how your phone connects to the location. So to make sure that is good, we're going to swipe up and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone or Android. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Where is that? Privacy and Security. And then from here, scroll down and go to Permissions. Tap on that. And then tap on Location. And make sure Google Maps is allowed to access your location. You can see here it can access my location. If it can't access your location, you can always go back, tap on location here, and then from here you can see Google Maps. Again, tap on it and make sure it's set to allow while using the app or allow all the time, and make sure to turn on precise location. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave your feedback in the comments down below. Let me know, was this video legitimately helpful for you, or are you still running into issues on your phone? Thanks, guys.